I just want to check how pretty I look. Tell me. Don't I look cute? Don't I look pretty? And you wanna know why I look this pretty? It's because I'm gonna watch my pretty lady, CHAEYOUNG. I don't know how to pronounce her name, I'm very sorry, but CHAEYOUNG. CHAEYOUNG. I'm blind. CHAEYOUNG. One thing I know is just is talented. My talented lady. And we're gonna watch Shoot. Is it like ooh, Sleeping Beauty? Is it just me? Oh, the eyes. The eyes. The eyes. Okay, this was actually new. Let me stop. Let me. I don't have YouTube. Okay, this was actually kinda new. This was new. Was not what I was expected actually, because we will get like pop to shit. This is a very actually chilling. You see, you saw from my reaction. I was just listening, just nothing, boom, but nothing was like. She was pretty. I love. It was giving me a little bit of which one? If you know what I mean. Yeah, but anyway, I actually do like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not the kind of song that I usually listen to, but this one is kind of song that I can have on my chill playlist, because I have a lot of different playlists. But this is actually not a bad song to just shoot. I'm already thinking of like fashion transition of this song. Maybe we should do one. Should I? I do like it. It's okay. You get 8 out of 10. Not bad. Love it. Busy. Bye. Oh no. Bye. Have a good day, evening, night, morning. Busy. Just shoot. I shoot you from Sweden. I send you love. Also, I forgot to say one thing I really loved was like, can we stop the judgment from this one? I agree with that. That lyrics, I agree. But anyway, bye.